Hey everyone, welcome back to the Webcom Designs channel. If you have ever wondered how active your BuddyPress community really is or which members and groups are driving engagement, this video is for you. Today we are taking a closer look at BuddyPress Statistics, a powerful plugin that helps you track community activity, engagement and growth all from one clean dashboard. Let's jump in and see what it can do. So you can easily try demo from its page. Click on launch demo, enter name and email and click on proceed. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to WP plugins. Click on statistics. Here let's start with general setting. Here you will find enable or disable the profile stats tab, control visibility based on user roles, show or hide graphs for profiles, same as groups. Here you can set the activity log retention days, and after adjusting the settings, click Save Changes. Next, open the Overview section. This dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your community, including total registered users, overall activity count, number of active groups. It's a great way to understand how your community is growing. Now let's move into activity and engagement. Here you can track user and group activity over different time ranges, weekly, daily or monthly. You can set custom dates according to your need. You can choose between line, bar and area chart. You will also see a detailed engagement graph showing activities, comments, like. For groups, you can do the same. Now let's go to retention rate. This is one of the most useful section. This helps you understand how active your members are over time and identify users who are maybe becoming inactive. Here you can also see monthly retention rate. Now let's go to engagement. Here you can see the engagement graph. You can see for different time period, like if you want to see for 3 months, select 3 months and you can choose different charts. Now let's go to profile field. These are the different profile fields available. Now under advanced analytics, you can view top contributor at both groups and user level. This shows the top 10 contributors and most active groups, top 10 active groups. Now in the user statistics section, you will find the detailed activity data for individual users. This includes activity count by usernames, comment and likes, groups created or joined. You can also select or deselect the columns options what you want, like if you want to add comments, also you can export the data as a CSV or any other file for reporting or analysis. Now under activity log, here you can see all the activity which was done by any user by the date and time. You can also export this data. Now let's see how this works on the front end. Go to the BuddyPress activity stream and click on three dots and select profile stats. This opens a dedicated stats section on the user profile. Here you can view profile activity report, engagement report, message report, and group participation report. You can also choose between weekly or monthly, or choose your custom date according to your need, and you can do the same for each of the reports. For group level insight, open the same three dot and click on group statistics. Here you will find group activity levels, top contributors, group growth, and in group engagement. Again, you can filter the data or choose custom date range for deeper insight. You can also see these stats from profile. Go to statistics and click. Here you can see the user level reports. And for groups, click on groups. Then click on my groups. Then click on any group. Then again click on stats. Now here you can see group level stats. And that's a quick walkthrough of BuddyPress Statistic plugin, from real-time engagement snapshot to detailed analytics for users and groups. This plugin makes it much easier to understand what's happening inside your community and who is driving it forward. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.